Create your own warehouse management program for 756 items. Create checkbox. Right-click the Sheet tab of the first worksheet and select View Code. In the VBA editor, click the Toolbox icon. Left-click the checkbox, Control in the toolbox, and then left-click an empty space in User Form 1. Checkbox 1 is now located in User Form 1. Double-click User Form 1 in the VBA editor with the left mouse button. Enter the code from the video description into the Activate procedure. Open the worksheet and then the input mask. The formatted checkbox 1 will be displayed.